Look at that. I need to put a jacket on. It's so cold in here. Hey, VW Lifers, welcome to Summer Shop Series number 2. And we're going to our favorite local tire shop. You know, I don't know what that stands for. Favorite local tire shop, FLTS,
Yeah,
the Flitz.
The Flitz.
And there it is. There he is. Reality's Tire Service. So I have kept them in business at least, I don't know how long. And then today,
I think you put somebody's kid through school.
yeah, Tommy B. Smith's gonna come over here and get some tires mounted here. So this is your local tire shop. When we pull up Volkswagens from you know, out of the woods or whatever, and the tires are just dilapidated, they don't hold near anything, corporate tire shops won't touch them, and they certainly won't mount anything old.
No, they won't mount them for sure. They'll dismount them, but then you got to pay for it and everything else.
Yeah, so here at Real's, they take care of us. So we're gonna go in and talk to Mr. Real and get some business done, and we're gonna talk to him a little bit. So stay with us today on Shop Series number 2, 2024. Hey everybody, I am here with
Ramiro,
So what's the name of your business?
Real's Tire Service.
Real's Tire. And how long have you been in business?
Like 11 years already.
11 years already.
Yeah.
Time flies. So
Right.
how did you get into the tire business?
Man, God bring me here.
The job brought you here.
Yeah.
So as far as the tire business, have you seen it change in the 11 years you've been doing it?
A lot of changes.
What kind of changes have you seen?
After the COVID-19, man, everything changed.
Everything changed after
Yeah.
COVID, right? It did, didn't it? Okay. So so here, how long have you been in this building for 11 years right here?
Yes.
And this is
building just 11 years.
11 years. Is this your only building you have? Is this is the only shop you have? Is this one right
Yes,
here, right?
and this is the only one.
Okay, all right. And you do used tires and new tires
And
too
new
for
tires.
people, right? Okay.
That's right.
Fantastic. All right. And do y'all have road service or anything like that?
No, we don't have roadside service.
No roadside service.
Roadside.
Just you got to bring your tires in here and everything else.
That's right.
And so if somebody wanted to come in and talk to you, how long will it take them to get tires if you don't have them in stock? Maybe a day or two?
24 hours.
Oh, 24
or
hours.
less.
Quick. Now, I just want to say how much I always appreciate you helping me out. So
Okay,
let's go out
sure.
to the shop real quick.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. We're going out to the shop. So here's the tires. They got a lot of selection here.
Tires, new tires.
New tires, used tires. These are new with the stickers and good selection of used tires.
Over here.
There's Tommy B. Smith. Ah, customers, look how busy you are today. Oh my gosh, look at all these tires.
More new tires.
All right. All right, here's a guy fixing a flat right here, right? So y'all fix flats?
Yes, we do flats,
Okay.
rotations, balances.
So about, how many of these machines do you have?
5 machines.
5 coach machines. Do you have to have maintenance on them, or they work pretty good, or?
No, they work pretty good, but every year we have to do a maintenance on them.
Right,
Yeah, so-
okay. So you're getting it smooth so the patch will stick?
Yeah, a little more smoother.
Okay. Yeah, that's the glue. There's the pack. Oh yeah, I always like this part.
No fire.
So what does the flame do?
Huh?
What is it? Why do you light it? What does that do?
It dries it up and makes it more sticky.
Gotcha. Okay.
That way the parts can stick better.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Francisco.
Francisco, thank you very much.
Oh, anytime.
Y'all, Francisco doing tire repairs. Look at that. That's another thing here, flats repaired. Isn't that amazing? There's your contact information there. Okay, 512-363-7694. Hey there. Just remember, you guys got a local tire shop next to you too. Befriend those guys because they're good. They're performing a service for everybody, you know, and keeping the economy going, and they're saving us money, you know, and that's the most important thing. So he's working on a dually there. That's a big old tire. Over there. We'll let all the air out, and then it'll break the bead on there. Takes the valve core out. And they'll use this on the side to break the bead off. So what is this? Is the used tire department?
Yeah, this is where we keep all the used tires, man.
Holy
all of them.
cow! I didn't know y'all had this many.
Oh, and there's more over there.
Wow, that's crazy. Look at the size of some of these tires. It's like a jungle. Oh my gosh! Wow. Yeah, you had some for my Volkswagen in here.
Yeah, we did last time.
Last time y'all had some 15s.
Some more here.
Holy cow. So Angel, how do you keep track of where everything is?
Oh, every day, man, we check inventory.
You-
We go through we check them
Every day.
every day, man.
Okay. Holy cow. So if you need a tire, y'all, here's the deal. Tires are expensive. And so what do you think that as far as Angel can save somebody by getting a used tire that still has good life in it? How much money do you think somebody can save?
Oh, I'm not too sure, man. Look at this one. This one's pretty good.
Yeah, that tire there's got lots of tread on it still, right?
Yeah, so it depends because you know we try to keep tires that are not older than 5 years old. That way we can sell them.
Right.
So we keep track of that too.
So you got that there. So you look at the date code on them.
We looked at the
So
date
these
code.
tires are all less than 5 years old.
Yeah.
Holy, and then yeah, because you can see the wear bars way down on that guy right there.
That one's practically brand new, and it's
Yeah.
from 2023.
So it's
that's
just
gonna last you a
yeah.
while.
This is y'all perform a service because new tires are crazy expensive.
Yeah.
Crazy expensive. So Angel's here is what's your role here? Are you like because you've been here a long time. How long have you been here?
for a
Rials.
while.
Rials.
Like almost 5 years.
About 5 years. Yeah.
5 years. I've been doing this, just checking the tires, like I said.
So you're
Going
you're
through-
kind of like the chief tire technician guy, right? Yeah.
You can say that, yeah.
I had no idea y'all had this whole warehouse back here full of tires
That's
too.
on top of the ones that we already have over there, but we try to keep the new ones on the other side.
Right. Okay. So new tires. This is used tire department over here. Okay. All right. And where do you get most of these used tires?
There's a company that comes here, drops them off about once every 3 days.
Okay.
Drops them off, we check them.
And so you can kind of do you cull through them then and go, hey, that's a good one. I'll take that one. And that one's not so good. That kind
basically,
of.
yeah,
Okay.
that's what we do.
All right.
Yeah, but yeah, man.
Wow.
If you need a tire, you already know.
Yeah. Come to Rials and see Angel. He'll get you hooked up for tires, y'all. These little bitty tires. I don't know what tires going to be. They end up in rollers or front runners or something. Look at that. Woo. Hey, I hope you're liking today's episode of VW Life Shop Series here at Rials Tire Service. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check us out at All Metric Garage as well. All right, Emil, thank you so much.
You're welcome,
For giving us a tour here at Rials Tire Service. You know, Angel showed us the used tire department, so you know y'all can get new tires and used tires, and that's a big savings for people.
Yeah.
You know, you're helping people out in this tough economy right now.
Yes, sir.
So we very much appreciate what you do.
Thank you for coming, sir.
All right,
So it's a
thank
pleasure
you.
to help you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
What are you putting on these? Those 215s?
Wheels out. They rode forever. I went to the classic twice.
Really? Yeah. Oh, we might put these on a 73 too, it looks like. The Angel's putting that, yeah, these old tires. Look at that. Oh, it's a Potenza. It's good.
Yeah. These are all not good.
For everybody to realize is support your local tire shop, because every town has one.
Pay cash when you can.
Oh yeah, cash is king.
Well, cash helps them more because they get, like, they charged us $75 for 5 tires, mounting, dismounting. But if I paid with a credit card, the credit card company takes a piece, and then their other service takes a piece, and they may only net 65
right
at the end of the day. So
yep, cash is king for sure.
yeah.
And just befriend those guys. You know, that's the thing, is that they're performing a service. Like I said, did you see how many people came in with flat tires just while we were there, and they were just fixing flats? You know, you go some of the places, oh, you need a new tire, and you don't need a new tire, you just need your tire patched. So thanks for joining us today at Real's Tire Service. We had a good time today, got lots of tires mounted and balanced, and had a good time there, and met all the guys. And we appreciate you guys joining us today on VW Live Shop Series 2024. More coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe and spread the word. Spread the word about VW Life. We got all kinds of stuff coming down the pipe. More stuff. Got some you guys been popping us about working on stuff. So I've been working on the 73 Beetles, so you're going to be seeing some of that coming up too. And Tommy B has become like the paint guru.
It's, not a guru, but it's working really nice.
Ooh, like Gia, every time he touches it, it goes up another 1,000.
Yeah, right.
You know, it's not instead of bust, it's like a boat means bust out another 1,000.
Yeah.
Tommy, when he gets on that Gia, says touch another 1,000, because it's like getting shiny by the moment. You guys are awesome. Make sure you tell your aunts and tell your uncles about VW Life. We appreciate you guys. Until next time.